myself to you as your husband in respect and in trust. Today, I take you to be my wife.
Ang puso't kaluluwa ay parang lang sa'yo. Lagi ay ikaw ang ibigin ko.
Wala na akong ibang wish kung hindi na ikaw ay lumigaya. Sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, hindi ko na iisa-isahin. Sa hirap mo, sa lahat, pag-aalaga ng alam mo na kung sino. Diba? Sa lahat-lahat. Ito na ang pagkakataon para ikaw naman ay lumigaya. And perhaps, after everything is done, ngayong taon, and next year, please, try to go slow. Go slow and enjoy life. And enjoy your family. Di ba, partner? Talaga, honestly. And for Senator Mar, I know you're a gentleman. I know that you will take care of Corina the way we took care of her dito sa istasyon.
I wish you all the best. I wish you all the love and happiness with the man of your dreams. All my best wishes.